All right, Sylvania says, experience the difference of LED. Hey, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. And that's right, by the title above you saw, we're working on the blue truck. That's right, Blue Lightning is in the garage. We got her tucked in here like a Lego, you guys. I got the tailgate right up against the door. And I barely got enough room over here to do this job. Check this out. So what we have here is your Sylvania H11 LED, Ultra LED headlight bulb. All the lights on this truck but one high beam have taken a dump. Yes. So, what we have here is a headlight that needs to come out of this truck so we can replace these light bulbs. I'm going to grab some tools and start ripping this headlight out of this pickup truck. Well, the first things I'm going to do is remove this push pin you can see right there. Well, that didn't go as planned. It just, like, shot off. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on, I think we're okay. Hang on a second. Here it is right here. Okay, I think it's designed to come out. All right. All right, well, let me see if I can pry this guy out now. And it pops it right out. All right, good deal. Now, we got that free. Now I can pop that trim piece off. All right, so we pop these off. There's two. All right, we got two screws right here. One here, one here. We got to remove those two in order to remove this piece of plastic right here. All right, we removed both bolts. Now we should be able to peel this trim back a little bit. There it goes. And then we can pry off this piece of plastic and access more of the headlight. All right, we should be able to pry this plastic off now. Should be nothing but push pins, hopefully. See that? Oh, there she goes. Look at that. Oh, come on. All right, here we go. Plastic trim around the headlight removed. All right. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts that hold this plastic piece in, which pretty much holds this headlight in from down below. They're all 10 millimeter, but this one's 8 millimeter. So we got the impact for most of them, and we got the little guy for this one. So I'm going to zip these off real quick, and then we'll get to removing more of this. All right, if you can see inside of here, barely, I got a little light down in there. There we go, right there. If you follow the ratchet, there's the last bolt that's holding our headlight on. We're going to loosen that up, and our headlight should pop out. Remember, I might be wrong, but as far as I remember, this is the only thing holding our headlight in right here. All right, I think my headlight's loose. Let's see. Oh, it moves. Oh, here we go. Get this piece of trim out of the way here a little bit. Oh, there it is. All right, we now have access to our bulbs, which are right behind here, ladies and gentlemen. Time to install the LEDs. I'm gonna pop these guys off right here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Your eBay special LED light bulb is officially removed, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta say, they kind of stunk. They worked really good when they worked, but they only lasted like 2 years. So, all right, well, one of these out. Now we gotta pop up the one down here. All right, Sylvania says, experience the difference of LED. All right, so pop this guy out right here. See what we're working with here. Oh, that's real nice right there. I got the little fan inside there to keep themselves cool. All right, well, let's plug this guy in. And let's see how this goes. All right, plug there. All right, we got our bulb in. Check it out. See that? It's locked in place pretty good. It still moves, so I'm going to put a little piece of electrical tape in here just to make sure it doesn't move due to vibration. But it's in there, and it fits pretty good. And we're going to put the high beam in the bottom down there and start assembling this light back again. All right, you guys. We had to learn the hard way, but I thought that both bulbs in here were H11s. They're not. Your low beams are H11s. Your high beams are 905s. So we're going to pop this open real quick here. We're going to pull these out, and we're going to install the proper light bulb for the high beam. Let's see here. And look at that, they clip right in. Here we go. All right, all set. All right, now we got our bulb installed. We're gonna reinstall putting the headlight back inside the front of the truck. A little bit more. Ow, that hurt. There it goes, nice and solid. Well, y'all check it out. We got her all back together. Yes, we do. Got the trim piece on. Everything's all nice and tight. And now it is time to move down the line over there to the next light. We will go through that one real fast because you guys already saw how to remove this side. Trim piece removed. There she goes. Feisty bolt. Come on. There it goes. There's that pin right there. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not. Right there. That pin we had to pop out. But there we go. We got headlight number 2 out of the truck. Well, let's swap some bulbs over, wrap this job up. Okay, and here's the bright light down here. There we go. Got this guy out. Oh, look at this big old thing I got going on inside here. All right. Doesn't matter. It's all dead. Disconnector and away we go. Good deal. Okay, good deal. Oops, slipped off. Putting her back together. All right, we got Shelby down here knocking out these last 2 bolts inside the inner fender well right here. And then we are all done. And then we'll pull this thing out of the garage for you guys and show you what the lights look like in the dark. But we gotta wait till dark because it's still daylight. All right, you guys, the ultimate test. Let's see what they look like. Hey, look at that. We got headlights. Let's see what the bright lights look like. Hey, they work. All right. Well, nice to have friggin' lights working back in the truck again. Well, y'all check it out. Cruising down the dirt road, going to work in the morning. Those are your regular lights. Those are your high beams. You can definitely tell they are very, very bright. I'm sure the people that'll be driving in front of me will be thrilled. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video of us installing the lights, please give me a like, smash that subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody. For the love of God, can it please quit snowing? This garbage. Oh my God, it's terrible. Every day it snows.